The Hereafter 15. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the biography of a famous person, the things they achieved and the regrets they have. Muslims should understand that regrets can be classified into two categories. The first are the regrets over worldly things, such as not getting married or having children. The second category are the regrets one will have in their grave and on Judgment Day, such as not making better use of their resources and blessings in order to please Allah, the Exalted. The worldly regrets, irrespective of what they are, will never be permanent, as they will either end when one fulfills their desire, changes their mind, or dies. They are temporary in nature, as the maximum time one can have this type of regret is until their death. And they are not so significant, as these regrets may lead to sadness but not severe punishment or torment. In addition, these regrets will end if a person reaches paradise through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. On the other hand, the regrets of the hereafter are long-lasting, as the time in the grave and on Judgment Day will be much longer than one's life on this earth. They will not end until one enters paradise, which may not happen, or it may occur after an extremely long time, as a single day in the hereafter is equivalent to 1,000 years on earth. Chapter 22 Al-Hajj, verse 47.
And indeed, a day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of those which you count.
Finally, these regrets are very significant, as they may well lead to a severe punishment and torment in the hereafter. Therefore, a Muslim should ponder over this, and be kind to themselves by striving to remove the potential regrets they will have in the grave and on Judgment Day, before they try to remove the regrets of this world. Chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verses 23 to 24.
And brought within view that day is hell, that day man will remember but how, i.e., what good to him will be the remembrance. He will say, Oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life.